Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Nowadays, we're jumping into the captivating world of kiwi fruit, too known as the Chinese gooseberry. Whether you call it kiwi or Chinese gooseberry, this special and scrumptious natural product has varying curiously history and a run of varieties. Kiwi fruit is the consumable berry of different species of woody vines within the sword Actinidia. The foremost common cultivar, known as Hayward, is oval, with a lean, fluffy, and tart however consumable light brown skin. The light green or brilliant substance, decorated with modest dark seeds, offers a sweet and unmistakable flavor. Originating from central and eastern China, the kiwi fruit incorporates a history dating back to the 12th century amid the Toon line. It wasn't until the early 20th century that kiwi fruit development made its way to New Zealand, inevitably getting to be prevalent among British and American servicemen amid World War II. The title Chinese gooseberry stuck until 1962 when New Zealand producers cleverly rebranded it as kiwi fruit due to its fluffy appearance taking after the kiwi wing creature within the joined-together states and Canada. It's commonly alluded to essentially as kiwi. Now, let's conversation assortments. The foremost commonly sold kiwi fruit is the fluffy kiwi fruit, determined from A. deliciosa, with prevalent cultivars like Hayward, Blake, and Sonnington 12. Brilliant kiwi fruit, or A. chinensis, features a smooth, bronze skin and a sweeter, more fragrant flavor. Ever listened of kiwi berries? These are eatable natural products, the estimate of huge grapes, comparative in taste to fluffy kiwi fruit, but with a lean, smooth green skin. They're delivered fundamentally by species like A. auruta and A. polygamma. Now, let's conversation almost development. Kiwi fruit can flourish in most mild climates with satisfactory summer warmth. Interests: kiwi fruit plants are dioecious, meaning they are either male or female. Fruitful fertilization is significant for a great surrender, and nectar bees are commonly utilized, in spite of the fact that the method can be very challenging. In terms of generation, China leads the way, bookkeeping for over half of the world's kiwi fruit generation in 2020. And New Zealand, Italy, Greece, Iran, and Chile are moreover critical contributors. Finally, let's talk about the dietary powerhouse that kiwi fruit is. Stuffed with vitamin C, vitamin K, and other basic supplements, kiwi fruit offers a reviving and sound expansion to your slimmed down. You'll eat it crude, utilize it in juices, prepared merchandise, or indeed as embellish. So, there you have got it, the succulent subtle elements around kiwi fruit. On the off chance that you delighted in this video, don't disregard to like, subscribe, and hit that chime for more energizing substance. Until following time, cheerful crunching.